If you've ever tried to take and center a hole saw, it's a really difficult thing to do, especially when the hole you have is a little bit smaller or just a different dimension, and now you got to find an exact center. So here's a little trick we came up with. Makes doing the alignment much easier. Get yourself a piece of scrap wood, put another hole in it. Use the hole saw that you need, put a hole in it. Gonna move this out of the way. Now here's the hole that we need, which doesn't even match the drain, but that's the correct alignment. So now we take our piece of scrap, we can line up inside of our hole perfectly. Now, all we have to do, stand on it, and we're going to be perfectly centered. You can see we got the bit started in there, and it's almost perfectly equal all the way around. Everything's centered, our hole should be in exactly the right spot. Let's assume for a second you already have a hole drilled, but you need to re-drill it to a different size. Let's say you need to get this pipe in that hole. It's just not going to fit. Now, if you try and take your hole saw and re-drill it, the thing is just going to walk all over you, and you're just going to have a mess. So, what you want to do, get yourself another piece of wood again. Line it up where you need it. You can hold it down. Sometimes you're better off screwing it down. I'm going to screw this one down. Now we can re-drill our hole, and it's not going to walk on it. All right, so now we got ourselves a perfect hole. But maybe it's not where we need it. Maybe we screwed that hole up still, and we needed it off a little bit further. Because now, even though the pipe fits, maybe it's not lined up with something else. So let's say maybe we screwed up and we need it over just that tiny little bit. Again, rather than trying to fight with our drill and trying to do something on an angle and pull it up, where we're just going to walk all over the place. Again, take your same board, line it up where you need it again. We're going to drill it off just a little bit. We'll take our hole saw again. Now we have a nice guide to work with. Now we've corrected where we needed our hole.